Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nathi, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys ideas on hobbies that you can take on and things that you can do instead of scrolling on that damn phone. Before we get into this video, make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you want more videos like this. So I have the ideas on my MacBook as per usual, and we are going to get into it. Yeah, so the first idea that I have for you guys is to do scrapbooking. Guys, this is something that I want to do so bad. I feel like it's such a cute way to be creative, but also to like store memories of just fun moments in your life that you can look back on, and I feel like that would be so fun. Rearrange your room, guys. I've done this so many times and I feel like it just gives like fresh starts. Like, oh, like this isn't like my room anymore. Like it just feels like such a fresh start. Arranging my room is something that I do like at least twice a year. That switch up of the environments like just does something. Next thing that I have is to give your phone a makeover. Since you're scrolling on that phone, make her look cute. Okay, the next thing that I have is to make playlists for every occasion. Like I do. I have playlists for every occasion, okay? Like I do, and I'm proud. Like, and making playlists is so fun, especially if you're someone who's really into music. Create your own Pinterest boards. This is something that I do as well in my free time, or just scrolling on Pinterest is so fun. I feel like Pinterest is sort of like a different environment. I feel like Pinterest is like a safe space, even though most of it now is ads. Pinterest, hello, come on. This is not ad interest, it's Pinterest. Did that make sense? Like, sort that out. Pinterest is different to the other social medias. Like, it's not like doom scrolling on TikTok. If you're scrolling on Pinterest, I feel like you're doing something productive. I don't know, that's how it works in my brain. Follow my Pinterest. It is truly lit up there, okay? Go self-care shopping. I actually did this not so long ago. I can't remember. I think it was like a month ago now. I went self-care shopping, and it's honestly such a fun experience to just pick up products, add up the money, you save up the money, and you just go self-care shopping and take care of yourself. And I feel like that's such a cute activity, and it's girl therapy. The girls that get it. The girls that don't. Go thrifting. This is something that I did in the past, but I feel like I haven't done it in a long time. But I feel like thrifting is generally such an obviously sustainable way to shop, and you can find such rare items that are actually very underpriced, and you can get so many bargains. And I feel like I need to go thrifting soon. You're also saving the planet while at it. So yeah, on a YouTube channel, guys, like I'm literally talking to the camera right now, but I'm not. Like I'm talking to my best friends, and that's the way it is. Hello. YouTube channel, you learn so many skills that you can apply to other things as well, and you overall just become a smarter, like more talented person in my. Next thing that I have is to do a social media detox, whether that's for a day, for a week. Okay, I think I've done a social media detox for like a week, and it was like the best thing that I've ever done. Okay, and I deleted all of the social medias on my phone. Although for me now, social media is like something that I'm truly invested in, because I want to like grow a platform and everything. Just get to live in the real world and touch some grass. Okay, it's a good way to break the cycle of doom scrolling and being too infatuated in the digital world that's not real. A new recipe. I feel like this is something that I love to do. I love trying new recipes. An app that I actually use, okay, is an app called Tasty. I love that app so much because you can literally like put like whatever you have in your fridge, and it's gonna like give you like recipes based on what you've put down, like that you have available. And I love that app. I love to cook. Have a dance party in your room, girl. Like I do this like all the time. After school, obviously I'll come home with my headphones on. I rarely ever like take my headphones off and just carry on my day, because I already have the music, and I'm like and I just dance for the longest time, and it's such a fun thing to do. I'm a dancer, so I'm always dancing every second of the day. And then the next thing that I have is to take an everything shower. Guys, I love everything showers. I am like a hygiene girly, self-care. Like I love everything like that, as you can tell from my products. And then the next thing that I have is to get a coloring book. Guys, I feel like I've seen so many people on TikTok, like grown adults, yep, getting coloring books and coloring. I think it's such a good way to like heal your inner child in a way, and just like it's so nostalgic because obviously that's like things that we used to do when we're kids, and I feel like it's just such a calming activity. What's your favorite childhood show? I know I'm very much childhood over here, but it's like all the time, like randomly I'll just go to my childhood shows, guys, like Disney XD, Disney Junior, everything Disney. Disney was like my childhood, like High School Musical, Regular Show, Lab Rat, Hey Just Say, Raven's Home, Liv and Maddie, Casey Undercover, like go cafe hopping. Specifically, guys, you know what I want to do is to go like cafe hopping, but like at dog cafes or even a cat cafe, but I'm more of a dog person. So cute. Or you could just go just cafe hopping and try out new like cafes or coffee shops around your city. And the next thing that I have is to change up your hair. Okay, OGs remember like my skunk stripe era when I dyed like these parts of my hair blonde, and that was the jam, bro. Like I was actually a baddie back then. I'm still a baddie, but it doesn't hit the same. I don't know, it's even something you can do at home. I did it myself and it did damage my hair slightly, but it's part of the experience. Okay, the thing that I have is to go to a concert. Girl, I am a concert fanatic. I love everything concerts. I've been to 3 concerts so far, and I'm going to another concert in a couple months, and I'm so excited. And it's Tyler the Creator, because you guys know, the OGs know I've loved Tyler the Creator since, okay? And concerts are such an experience. Like there's no, my concert experiences have been so fun, hence why I'm now concert obsessed. And then the next thing that I have is to perfect your makeup or skincare routine and find what works for you. Do that pre-shower makeup. I feel like that's how I learned how to do my makeup, is just like experimenting. I don't remember watching makeup tutorials to learn how to do my makeup generally. And the next thing that I have is to join a running club. I actually ran. I'm trying to get more into it. My whole family, guys, like we used to run a lot. Like we were like an athlete family, okay? Like we used to run, go to races a lot when I was younger, but my parents are on their grind now. But I feel like I want to be on that running high again, because it's such a good feeling and it's one of my favorite things to do. And the next thing that I have to start gardening, guys. I feel like gardening is such a cute thing to invest into, and like seeing the results of your work is so good. Next thing that I have is to become a DIY girly. Like me, I'm like the ultimate DIY girly. Like I do everything myself. My hair, my nails, my makeup, I can do it myself. Like becoming a DIY girly is the ultimate way to save your money, okay? Because getting your hair done is expensive, especially for all my black girls out there. It's expensive, but learning how to do your own hair is probably gonna be the best thing you can do for yourself, okay? To start crocheting. Crocheting is such a cute thing to do. It's a good way to make your own clothes instead of buying. You can even make this a business too and start crocheting in your free time, and you can start making bank off of it. And then the next thing that I have is to make a vision board. Guys, I'm actually, don't judge me. It's February 14th. It is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's, okay? But don't judge me. But here's my vision board. This is my 2025 vision board. How cute is it? I've still not finished making it, I know, and you can make it at any time of the year. I'm proof. I'm making a like summer vision board. I made a summer vision board last year. Made a summer vision board, winter vision board. There's vision boards for different occasions, okay? Start journaling. I journal. I feel like I've once again fallen off. Journaling is such a good way to express your feelings, and just looking back at like your old journals, you know, it's like such a fun experience to look back at. The next thing that I have is to do a closet clean out. I need this. You could find out that you have so many things that you've not been wearing that don't fit you anymore, and such a productive thing to do and will save you a lot of time. Deep clean your room. I have a deep cleaning my room video. I have 2 actually up on my channel, but I uploaded one and I feel like I need another one. As generally, I feel like I'm a clean person. Like I'm kind of a clean freak, but recently I don't know what's been going on. It's just life has just been lifing. And then the next thing that I have is to make your own jewelry, girl. Get those beads, get those like strings, and make your own like bracelets, whether that's like for people in your life, like your friends. Then the next thing that I have is to learn an instrument. Guys, I used to be so good at playing the piano like back in like high school, but it's something that I truly want to get into again. I'm gonna buy myself a like keyboard and just throw myself back into it again. What I have is to build a puzzle. Guys, I truly haven't built a puzzle in like over, I'm gonna say 3 years. Like genuinely, like I don't remember the last time that I did it. A rewarding experience once again. Like at the end you're just like, wow, I did this. Attend a yoga class. Yoga is obviously a great way to increase your flexibility if you just want something that's calming and if you truly want to be healthier. And I feel like that's, start sewing. I think this is such a good like skill to have and will save you a lot of money and time instead of like getting things fixed. Like when something's happened to like one of your clothes, you can just do it yourself, and you can make so many things if you know how to sew. Like you can literally make your own things instead of buying them. The thing that I have is to make your own vlog. Okay, you don't have to upload this, you don't have to put this anywhere. Just make your own vlog, like vlog your day through. Why am I saying vlog? Vlog, and then like edit it and like just make your own little vlog, like just to look back on and be like, oh, like it's like something like you made yourself a little movie, like you are a producer. Hello. Watch the sunset. So like wake up early and watch the sunrise, or watch the sunset like at a park or whatever, at a ground beach. Like go with someone and just have like those deep talks, you know, with the sunrise and the sunset. Like it's giving life. Build a Lego set. I feel like this is so fun even to do with other people as well, but I feel like it's so important to have hobbies, to have interests outside of your phone, because it truly makes you so much more of an interesting person and also teaches you how to be by yourself and how to truly cherish that time by yourself, because at the end of the day it's you, you know. Learn a new language. I'm a not bilingual, multilingual babe, but I feel like learning a language and being bilingual or multilingual is like so, like it makes you so much more of an interesting person. It's like is to make a Pinterest, like a Pinteresty cake. Or today actually I'm making cake pops for my mom. I saw this recipe that Kenna Marie, who's this YouTuber, like uploaded as a short, and I was like, oh my gosh, like, so yeah, make a Pinterest cake. And they're all so cute. To have a study date with a friend, or go by yourself, guys. If you're a student too, you're getting that study time in, but also you're kind of like romanticizing that dreadful experience. Make s'mores. I've seen people on TikTok make like s'mores in their air fryer, which if you have an air fryer, guys, like you have to do this. And I think I want to do this so bad because I don't know, it's such a cute like thing to do, and obviously they're gonna taste good. So the thing that I have is to have a game night. I haven't had a game night in a minute. Uno, watch a movie, like just like live life with people around you and spend time with the people that you love. Pull an all-nighter. Unfortunately, guys, the amount of time that I've tried to do this and it's been an unsuccessful experience, I just know. No, I'm at 9 p.m. I'm in bed, girly, but it's a cute thing to like try out. You can deal with like other people. I feel like that would be a lot easier than like trying to do it yourself. Fixing that sleeping schedule, girl. Okay, because I know, guys, I'm like one of like very few people who like sleep at like 9 p.m. in my age. Like when I tell my friends like by 9 p.m. I'm in bed, they're like, when I see what? At 9 p.m. if you text me for 9 p.m. just know that you're getting a reply the next day. Okay, have a self-care day. I love my self-care days. Like on Sunday's like my self-care day, or like Sunday night specifically. Have that everything shower, go buy yourself some flowers, eat your favorite like comfort food, put on your comfort show, and just like have like a me day. To make your own candles. You can actually make your own candles, which is insane, but there's so many like sets that you can order just to make your own candles. I feel like that's such a cute experience. Like when you're burning the candle, you're like, I made this. Like next thing that I have is to go to an arcade or a fair. It feels so like such like thrilling experiences. Or if you like go to an arcade and you can like go to like the thing, I forgot, I don't know what it's called, like the claw thingy that picks up like the stuff. Then the next thing that I have is to go on a hardcore walk. Such like if you don't want to like do the most in terms of like physical activity, going on a walk every single day will truly like have an impact in the long run. Especially start a new book. I'm gonna put down my book recommendations. As you can see, I am a reading fanatic, but I feel like I'm kind of at the point where it's like I cannot say that anymore because I haven't read in ages and I have not been consistent. New vocabulary, you become like a much more like articulate and educated person in general. The thing that I have is to write a letter to your future self. I'm gonna put the website on the screen. Not sponsored. I actually did this on New Year's Eve, and I wrote a letter to like nathi in 2020. No, I'll read it end of 2025, so December 31st 2025. And I feel like that's such a cute thing to do, to like see and like open, and it's like, wow, like that was me. You don't really appreciate how much you've grown as a person until you see where you were. Listen to a podcast instead of scrolling on TikTok. Just put a podcast on. Like finding a good podcast is difficult, but once you find that podcast where it's like you keep me coming back, it's like, yeah. Okay, the next thing that I have is to go to a perfume making class. Guys, why didn't I know this was a thing? Like I saw this on TikTok the other day and I was like, what? Especially if you're like really into like perfumes, which I am, you know? And when people ask you like, oh my days, you smell so good, what's that fragrance? It's actually mine. Like I made it. It's to customize your own clothes, like, or like upcycle your own clothes and like switch them up, you know, and make them another item. Have a picnic, because some of y'all need to touch grass. Duh. Okay, having a picnic, go with like other people, like go to the park, put out your little snacks, have a late night drive, or like just like have a late night walk. I feel like those like just hit different. Obviously go with someone because we're not trying to, yeah, but I feel like it's such like have like those deep like conversations. I love deep talks, like I love everything, deep conversations, and I just feel like it's such like a good way to like get bonding time with someone. And that is all the ideas that I have for you guys. Let me know at least one of these that you're going to implement this year, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye lovelies.